Hey guys, Mohit Pandey here. Welcome back to our new video. So guys, basically we were discussing about our new topic, that is go solo to for win. Go with your team to just dominate. So subscribe our channel for latest update and our latest motivational videos. So let's get started. Guys, our topic is, if you want success, go solo. If you just dominate, then you can go with your team. So guys, basically I will explain this topic with the help of an example. So listen carefully my example, because it will helpful for you understanding this topic. Guys, let us suppose you gone for a camp and you gone there alone. That is a nice thing, but little bit there is an advantage and disadvantage of that. There is an advantage of, if you take a decision, you have not to compromise for others, and there is a one disadvantage also, that is, if you take a wrong decisions, or you are going in a wrong way, no one will suggest you what is your right way and where you have to go. And since there is another disadvantage, that you have not power to get help from others, because if you want to take help from others, if you want to take help from others, no one will came there to help you, because all of them are busy with their selves. So this is the harmful, or you can say disadvantage of that. So let's begin with advantages. There is a big advantage, that you should not to compromise with your feelings, thinking for others, and you will take less time to complete goals, or you can say that you have to get healthier by many things, by many things that can be diet or exercise, workout, that can be something else. But in the same situation, if you gone with your team, if you gone with your team, so you will understand that you have advantage of unity and the power of your team, but there are huge amount of disadvantage, that is, that can be, if you want to eat something else and the group member has not capacity to do that, then you have to compromise your thinking, and your mind will compromise with your wishes, because you have to see whole the team, not yours, whole the team workout, diet and something, etc. That is a very tough or hard work that you have to face with your mind, because that can be also helpful for your strength. And there is a huge disadvantage, that you have to more compromise than the solo will compromise with there. That can be also helpful for that, because it is a very important thing to compromise our mind with for others, because something nowadays, no one will try to compromise themselves for others. They are trying to get better life and rich life for them, and not for others. They do not think for others in nowadays. It's a truth of life, but very sore truth of life. So therefore, if you want to just win, you have to go solo and alone, according to this modern situation. Because in olden times, all people are thinking for together for their development and social development, but nowadays it is not take place in our world. So therefore we have to compromise our happiness and wishes for others if you go on with our team, and that can be also helpful for your capability of your mind. Listen carefully, capability of your mind, because your mind's capability is not built up of every person, because every person want a great and successful life. So if you want a successful life, you have to compromise with your happiness. You have to forget about your failures, disappointment, and that can be your disappointage or failures, because nowadays you are suffering, we are suffering from lockdown like situation due to COVID-19 virus. So we have to also think over our society. This is my humble request to you. Please think for the social development. Think for social development as well as your development also. Try at least think 30% of social development and 70% of your development. That can be helpful in our future to maintain unity among us. So guys, I stopping this video here only. So there's a humble request to you guys to think for social development, because due to the situation like lockdown, due to the COVID-19, many of people has lost their life because of this virus. So please think for them and social development, because our liberalization of world is very necessary for the future. So don't forget to subscribe and on that bell icon, and leave it a like if you like this video. It gives us motivation for making new videos for you guys. So be motivated with us and take your steps towards success.